Yo, what's up, YouTube? First of all, Happy New Year 2019. This is the HKL Hamkalan channel. Welcome back to the channel. All right, by some requests from some friends, I have been asked to do this video. Basically, is to address some of the issues or some of the questions by the newbies or newly joined to the IQOS or I Quit Ordinary Smoking community. All right, some of them are very unsure of what is IQOS and what are heat sticks and what's the difference between ciggies. All right, today I will just do a brief video on basically 5 things you need to do or 5 things you need to know before taking up the IQOS from as compared to cigarettes. All right. First of all, let me explain to you the heat sticks. These are the devices. I will share with you later. Heat sticks. There are basically 3 brands of heat sticks available. Firstly, this is the Marlboro heat sticks. All right, only available in Japan as far as I know. Those that are surfacing in Malaysia are brought in from Japan. Okay, so this is the Marlboro Green or the Marlboro Menthol. The second brand is the Heats brand. The Heats brand is actually authorized to be produced by Marlboro. All right, and this is the Malaysian Heats. This is the Korean Heats. All right, the Malaysian Heats available here is only the blue, the green, and then the amber. The amber is the orangey one. I will do a next video on the flavor of the 10 flavors of Heats in another video. This Heats is available in Malaysia. It's only three flavors. Okay. Lastly, Fit. Fit is produced basically for use of another model of heat and burn called the Lil Plus or Lil. Okay. This is produced by KD&G. This is also duty free. Okay. All right. There are basically these 3 different types of heat sticks. We call them heat sticks. Okay, and they are very much different from the normal cigarettes. If you know the normal cigarettes, it is the longer type and it is filled up with tobacco leaves, tar, and whatnot, other chemicals which you can Google up on. But this is, as I know the heat sticks, this is the pure composition of tobacco leaves. Okay, and the tobacco leaves is only this much. And from here to here, this part here is another filter, which is made up of, I think, polyglycerine or something like that. And the other part here, these are all full filter. Okay, so how does IQOS actually work? It's actually a blade that is being stuck in between this tobacco and is heated up. All right, I think you can YouTube or Google up on IQOS or IQOS basically to see how does the actual operation works. I do not need to share this right here. Okay, that is for the heat sticks. Second thing, third thing, second thing is basically the 3 brand of heat sticks. The third thing is that the devices. What are the devices available? There are other Chinese makes or other clone devices available in the market, online, through resellers, whatnot. I shall not comment much on them, but there are, so far I have used 2 reputable brand. Number 1 is by PMI, which is the IQOS. This is the original IQOS. All right. The second brand, these are the Lil Plus, the Lil, which is produced by KT&G, is another big tobacco company, Korean Tobacco and Ginseng, KT&G. Okay. Now these 2 models are from PMI, IQOS. Okay. This is the IQOS 3.0. This is the IQOS Multi. Okay. The IQOS 3.0 comes in 2 parts. Number 1, this is the pocket charger. This is called the holder. Now, how the IQOS works is very simple. Inside, there's a blade. Okay, this blade. Once you have taken out from your charger, you can smoke 1 heat stick. All right. The heat stick that you smoke do not produce smoke, ash, or any form of how to say, the tar kind of output. Okay, hence there's no smelly aftertaste or whatever for normal cigarette smokers. But for non-cigarette smokers, they still smell some of the tobacco, toasted tobacco smell. All right. Now, if you are cigarette smokers and when you smoke this for the first time, you may not be able to accept the flavor like myself. Maybe you will take some time to get used to it. But once you get used to it, for me, I have not touched cigarettes for the last 3 months already. Okay. Now, this is, as I say again, this is IQOS 3.0. Now, how do you put this in? It's very simple. Turn it on. Push in the heat sticks, okay, and then wait until it vibrates, then you can start puffing. All right, do not puff straight away because you not produce any vapor or not produce any smoke, if you may call it. All right, so this is how it works. It's actually for me a cigarette replacement. One stick is equivalent for me for like a cigarette, one stick of cigarettes. Okay, now as for the multi is served, hold on, I don't want to waste this. Now, as for the multi is the same function, all right, but the multi, you don't have a pocket charger because it's inbuilt already. The battery can last you for 10 sticks. One full charge can last you for 10 sticks. And for the multi, the difference between this and this is that this you can't change smoke, this you can change smoke. After you have smoked one stick, you can continuously smoke the second stick if you want to, and just power it up only. For this, you have to wait for it to charge 3 minutes to 4 minutes time in order for you to smoke the second stick. Okay. Now, these two devices, it depends on your budget if you want to get in. This set with the charger and with the holder, it comes at a total package of 390 ringgit at the moment at any authorized IQOS centers. The multi is 350 ringgit at any authorized IQOS centers as well. There are of course some of the resellers exporting market and all, they are slightly a bit higher, which is okay, but please do not pay more than 550 for a unit, which is not really worth it. As I understand, after Chinese New Year, the whole plan Malaysia will come in with the full IQOS authorized centers. I don't know the exact date when because I'm not working with PMI. That is the news that I've heard. East Malaysia will have to wait on and hold on for a little bit more. All right. And of course, like I mentioned, the IQOS authorized centers have also sell this heat sticks called the Hits brand. Only 3: amber, green, and blue. All right, for the others you have to order online or from some other resellers. That one I don't want to comment how much they are charging. Okay, and yeah, basically that's about it. These are the 5 things that you should know about the IQOS or the heat and burn product or heat and burn devices before taking up before trying to convert from ordinary smoking to IQOS, okay, which is quitting ordinary smoking. All right, one more thing is basically today is the ban of smoking in public areas, and some restaurants that I frequent already don't allow smoking already. I've been asked to smoke outside, so please check the restaurants that you frequent and see whether if they allow or not before you start going in and smoking and creating trouble and all whatnot. All right, anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you guys have a great new year and have a great start of the year. All right, so yeah, quit smoking and start IQOSing. It's the future already. All right, thank you. Oh yeah, one more thing guys, before I forget, you can click the 2 sides here for more videos, and in between there's my logo. You can click on it to subscribe for more videos coming. The next videos I will be sharing with you are the 10 different flavors of hits. All right, I am waiting for the rest of the other flavors to arrive. Yeah, I will give you a full review on those. All right, thanks again. All right, bye bye. Oh yeah, one more thing guys, before I forget, you can click the 2 sides here for more videos, and in between there's my logo. You can click on it to subscribe for more videos coming. The next videos I will be sharing with you are the 10 different flavors of hits. All right, I am waiting for the rest of the other flavors to arrive. Yeah, I will give you a full review on those. All right, thanks again. All right, bye bye.